This is a super easy and simple way to edit and optimize your Descript workflow. I hit new project, make sure I'm saving it in the right folder. I let it do its thing and it's going to transcribe my file here, which saves me so much time and energy and effort. I cannot tell you. And after it's transcribed it, these are the steps that I take in order to streamline this whole process. Super easy. So first I make this a little bit bigger. I drag this up a little bit and then I right click on the sound, click auto level clip to level the sound, and I head to studio sound under AI tools. I go to studio sound and then I make sure that it is also within studio sound. After I do that, I go to AI tools and I edit for clarity. Now, this is important because I made a lot of mistakes in the beginning not doing this specific thing. So you don't want to miss this. It's going to save you some headache in the future. You want to make sure you edit for clarity. You can choose whatever level you want. I like to use medium and click copy edits to new composition. Make sure you do this one and not just erase all the edits because you may want to re-include some of the things that you're missing. Last thing you want to do is have to redo everything all over again. So this is going to save you a ton of time. After that, click AI tools again, or you should be in there. And then you're going to remove filler words. Click find all, remove all, then go back to AI tools and you're going to remove retakes. So you're really maximizing the use that you have for Descript because it's going to help you edit things down a lot faster. And then you're going to copy edits to new composition. Again, you want to do this one because as you're editing, again, you want to make sure that you have the option of putting it back in as you're editing on your own. So last thing is to find all the word gaps. You're going to click find all the word gaps and shorten all. And this is how you have shortcut your time to editing at least by 1/3. And after that, it's going to be even easier because you can change this to 2x speed and you're going to go through listening to the whole thing in 2x speed, making some general cuts and general edits, making sure the flow makes sense, etc. After you finish with 2x speed, listen to it at regular speed, and then that's going to fine tune your edit. Okay, so I made my first edits and I cut it down from 15 minutes to 8 minutes. And now I'm going to go ahead and listen to everything in 1x speed. You could also do 1.25, but I like to make sure I'm as careful as possible and make your final edit. Okay, once it's all edited, export and send it wherever you want. I usually send it to YouTube and then I update these areas. I sign into YouTube and boom, you are done. And if you are looking to get more clients for your business, editing, sequences, courses, and you want my favorite tech stack that cuts your time in half and helps you make more money, then definitely click the link and grab our free ebook. This is going to show you all our favorite tech tools and it's constantly updated. So definitely click the link and make sure you sign up for that.